Hi Ken, just one more additional little video, just because I've ended up with a version with the shoe racks removed. So this is what, if we had a single column, it's the sort of start of what it looks like. I've got to recreate all those shelves up there, but you know, you could have that shelf or shelves at any height. You've got a nice hanging drop. We could even move that higher up if you wanted a much higher hanging rail, and definitely double up on the hanging in that second bay. I mean, it all depends how high you can reach up there comfortably. I always encourage clients to stretch themselves and make as much hanging as possible, but I've just ended up with a version that doesn't have shoe racks or shelves, so I thought I'd show you quickly. That's what I meant by a single column. Okay.